All right, so for this particular problem, it asks you which coordinates do they have solutions. So the key to this is wherever I have shading represents solutions. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to solve for this, because in order to graph it, we're going to solve. So I'm going to divide by -5. And I'm going to simplify. So I'm going to do 6 divided by -5, and I'm going to do -35 divided by -5. So since I divided by a negative, that means I'm going to flip my sign. So this is now going to become less than. And then this is going to be -6 over 5x plus 7. And I'm going to graph this, and I'm going to look at where it crosses, or where the shading happens to occur. So I'm going to go to +7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my y-intercept. And then my slope is telling me to go down 6 and right 5. So I'm going to go down 6 and right 5. Now, this is also telling me that this is going to be a dashed line, and we're going to shade below. So dashed line, and we're shading below. So I ask my question every time. Do I have shading in quadrant 1? No matter how big or how little, I do have shading in quadrant 1. I have shading in quadrant 2, shading in quadrant 3, and 4. So the answer for that one should have been D.